Hi viewers, today we are going to show you what is the best solution for power cut. Let's go into the video. Luminous is the best inverter brand in India. Today we are going to show you how an inverter can light up your place during a power outage. Luminous has many models to suit your requirements. Talk to your service provider to find the best one to you. This is the fast moving for domestic usage, EcoVolt Neo 1050. Before going to the main video, I would like to show you what are the batteries best suitable to the inverters. This is a lead-acid vehicle battery manufactured specially for vehicles. Therefore, we do not recommend these batteries for inverters. We recommend inverter batteries. These are tall tubular acid batteries, lead-acid batteries specially manufactured for inverters. You can find this in different brands in the market in different capacities. These are the battery water indicators. This is the domestic model inverter EcoVolt Neo 1050. These two are the positive and negative battery cables. Negative is black color cable and the positive is red color cable. Battery cables have to be connected with the battery without any issues. The black color negative cable to the terminal marked as minus and the red color positive cable to the terminal marked as plus in the battery. Make sure these cables are connected properly without any mistakes to the battery. This black color cable is the charger cable of the inverter. Connect the charger cable to a plug base on your wall and switch on it. You don't need to switch off the charger cable, you can keep it always switch on. When the inverter is connected with the plug base, the mains will be indicated, charger will be indicated, and the eco will be indicated. During a power outage, the main and the charging indicators will be goes off. Only the eco will be on. If you are using electronic devices such as computers, laptops, you can switch the eco mode to UPS. To do that, hold the on-off button for 3 seconds to switch the eco to UPS and do the same to switch the UPS back to eco. for a safety precaution, I am switching off my computer to show you how inverter works during a power outage.